Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to create our user edit section of our identity uh, API project. Let's go back to our controller. Yeah, authentication controller. And no, sorry, we already finished authentication controller. We will created our user area and we have our dashboard. We're going to create our new controller. Let's create it now. Authentication user, right? Authentication user controller. Perfect. Let's add our area and let's authorize it. This is the wrong section. No. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, authorize. Why is that working here? Let's copy from here to this section. Yeah. Alright. KD Control S. Let's delete this action. Alright. Before start our user edit action, I would like to show you some schema which is I created before lesson to show you how is going to work our user edit. This is going to be really huge and I need to show you how it's going to work. So the first one, we're going to find the user. Then we need the validation of our view model. If it's valid, we need to check the password. And there is two sections. Do we have a new password? And are we adding new photo? Or do we keep existing one? So once we decide is there any password or not, we're going to check is there any photo or not. So we're going to decide both of them, and next one is going to be user update. Why we doing user update after password and photo? Because we just need to change our password or we just need to add a new photo before not to touch our user information in our app user. So I'm doing these two first, and I am going to update user. If there is any problem with updating user, as you can see, we're going to roll back at this side. Yeah, delete correct created image and roll back to old password. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to tell you every detail while I was creating our project. Now let's get back to the coding side and we're going to build step by step this section. Alright. First of all, what we need, guys, we need our user manager, right? This is the basic. Now, user manager, user user manager. Perfect. Is there anything do we need? Actually, we need, but let's continue with that first. Generate construct. Where is the constructor? Where is the constructor? Now, here we go. Generate constructor. Alright, all done. Now, let's create private read only. Oh, sorry. Public action result in the no user edit. User edit. Is there anything do we need? So we need to get the user http get and control kd. It's going to be async, and let's wrap with the task that I actually resolved. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to zoom my project because I have a comment uh, from one of my subscriber. They want me to zoom a little bit our text. Actually, I need to zoom out those sections as well, but I'm not going to interrupt the project right now. Let's continue with coding section first, then yeah, then we can after I finish my lesson I can zoom out the other side. Okay, so action result user edit. Yeah, we need to find the user first, and we need to bring user information to the R view. All right, var user await user manager find by email ID login name. Yeah, find my name. And what's our name? How can we find user? We can use that user prop because we already authorized. Okay, so it's no problem. It's not gonna be null. And identity and name. Perfect. We can use that this mark to remove that green line because our user name will be here because we already authorized. So it won't be a problem. Alright, we have user, but we need to map it to our view model, and let's add our um, IMapper. Yep, it parameters constructor. Perfect. So what we need a view model now because we need to do mapping section. Let's give a name. User edit view model mapper dot map and user edit view model. We didn't create yet, but we will do. Let's finish our code first. Perfect. Return view user edit view model. Perfect. Just we need to create our edit view model. Let's get back to our entities and view models. So yeah, we need to click identity. Oops. Yeah, here we go. Add class user edit view model. Yep. Control RG. Let's make it public, and we need props now. So what we need a username, and we need email, and we need phone number. Let's have a look our table and let's choose what kind of props we need to be changed while we click user edit in our project. I'm waiting the SQL Server Management Studio to be opened. Here we go. Let's connect database, plumbing, database, tables, and ASP.NET users. Must be this one, yeah. Yep. We need username. Yeah, we need email. Username, email, phone number. Hmm. We have a concurrency step as well, huh? And security stamp. Okay, alright. Let's fix those names. Username. Let's do the exact same. Phone number, username, email, phone. Alright, so we need a password, right? Public string password. Oops. And public string new password. And we need a confirm new password. String confirm new password. And also we need public string. Actually, I'm going to copy and paste from my other section. Do we need any of those? Nah. Let's bring it from our bot. Yep, this is exactly what I need. And also, guys, public string. Um, I need concurrency stamp. Let's keep it for a while. Concurrency stamp. Did I did I write correctly? Concurrency stamp. Perfect. I'm gonna keep it for concurrency exceptions, and if we don't need, we can delete it. Alright, guys. So file name and type, it can be null. So I'm going to put here a nullable question mark. They all can be null. Concurrency stamp cannot be null. It can be null because we don't need to change password all the time, but it cannot be null. Always we need to password if we need to change our user edit and specification of our user. Phone number can be null. This is not mandatory. Email cannot be null all the time. And username cannot be null. So always username, email, and password have to be added in the our form section before we post in our posting method. And the other things is can be null. Alright, perfect. Let's continue with the Fluent API and mapper class. This is auto mapper, right? Alright. User edit mapper. Control RG public. Let's make it 100%. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Maybe, yeah. Okay, alright. Profile and generate constructor, which is empty one. Okie dokie. Create map dot. Sorry, not dot. App user, comma user, comma user, edit model. Let me check. Is we recording right? Perfect. We're recording, no problem. Reverse map, all done. Now mapping is done. Let's continue with the Fluent API. Identity, yep. Add class. What I'm gonna use now? Yeah, user edit vModel. No, user edit validation. Yeah, validation. Perfect. Let's continue. Control RG public abstract. Oops, sorry. Abstract validator. Is it abstract validated? Why it's not coming? Abstract. Did I something wrong? Where we are now, user edit validation, it's alright. Yeah, here we go. User edit remodel. Let's go with our constructor, and now we need to command. So we have username, email, password. I'm gonna copy from sign up. So username, email, password. All right, we got everything what we need here. It's a username. It's a small one. Let's make them all everything same. Username. What was the other one? Let's make it new password and confirm new password. And also we need a validation for, yeah. By the way, they can be null. They can be null. So I'm gonna delete it. So new password can be null. All I need, confirm new password has to be same with the new password. I'm just gonna delete all of them, and I'm gonna bring back just the password because password cannot be null. Yep. Now, perfect. So what we done here, password, email, and user have to be here. I mean, have to be input, yeah. But the confirm new password have to be same with the new password. All right, perfect. Now we finished our Fluent validation. Let's minimize everything, save all, close all tabs, and get back to our controller again. Area user controller, automation user control. Perfect. Let's add our vModel in our class. Now we have our information in our hands now. So all we need to just click create the post method, and we are able to change our user information. Let's have a look how many minutes has been done. It's 70 minutes. Uh, for the first part of user edit, this is enough, guys. Let's finish this lesson here and let's continue the rest of uh, our action methods for other lesson. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you later.